Woo! What y'all say, baby? What y'all ladies say? Woo child.
Child.
Oh my Lord.
How you like my fresh deeds, baby? But anyway, back to the show. We're gonna make a staple on the streets, especially the streets of New York and stuff like that. East Coast, chopped cheese. Got me about a pound, maybe a pound and a half ground beef right there. Made me up a little rub. I got a teaspoon of Lawry's, 2 teaspoons of onion powder, because I really love onion powder on ground beef. I got about a half teaspoon of thyme. Got a teaspoon of black pepper and a teaspoon of garlic. Bam. Get it all up in here. Oh, yeah, it smells good. All right, got my parchment paper. Just gonna eyeball these, make some nice sized burgers. We're gonna smoke them up. So we're gonna put a little twist on it. We're gonna do it our way. Smoked chopped cheese. And we're not gonna smoke them a long time. We're gonna just get like a little smoke on them because we don't wanna like cook them all the way done. So we're gonna probably cook them like rare and throw them on the stove top. Chop them up. Add some cheese, onions. Come on, pay for this. I need to get all my money's worth. Yeah. All right, we gonna get these outside on the grill. Nice day out today. Boy, these winter days are getting nicer and nicer. Scary, but I ain't worried about it. All right, see y'all outside. All right. Get these burgers on here. Let them do that thing. We only gonna let them smoke for about 30 minutes. Like I said, keep them rare. Cause then we gonna chop them up when we put them on the griddle. Probably gonna use the cast iron. Like I said, we only gonna let these go for about 30 minutes. Bring them in, chop them up. Boom, get them looking all nice and good, be tasty, and see what y'all think. Smoked chopped cheese. All right. We just wanted it on here for a little bit. Yeah, see, we just want to get us some smoke. Look at that. Yeah, they solid. We ain't trying to cook them all the way. You be like, ooh, I want to eat them like that. That's it. We gonna get inside, chop them up. We have cooked these smoked burgers here to do the chopped cheese. We gonna use the S. Rosen buns, soft sub rolls. You know, get them spread it up with some mayo. You know, that's how we gonna toast them up. We gonna toast them up, so we gonna get the mayo on here first. If you like mayo, then you could do a second layer if you want to. I'm pretty sure Shawana is gonna like the ketchup on hers. I'm gonna put mustard on mine. Let's get these onions chopped up. Cut this all in off. These yellow onions be smelling good. All right, we're gonna slice and dice. All right. Go ahead and salt them onions. Yeah, so we're gonna go ahead and start chopping them up now. The smokiness coming off of them really smells good. Just a tad, a little more all-purpose seasoning on there. Pepper.
Hey baby, can you have me some American cheese? Got my griddle going over here too. Get these buns toasted. Got my parchment paper here because we gonna wrap them up too. Let them steam just like you getting them out the restaurant. This is an easy meal to make too, y'all. I just wanted to be a little extra and go ahead and smoke mine. Yeah. Ooh, getting that toasty look. Yeah. Let's see what that little toasty look like. Yeah. See, like that. It's good enough for me. Still got a little mayo. All right, let's get the cheese on here now. Got the kids. Get some ground beef. And make some chopped cheese sandwiches for everybody. Woo! What y'all say, babe? What y'all ladies say? Woo child.
Woo child. Yes, sir.
Oh my Lord. Looks so good, make you almost want to cuss. Mm-mm.
Woo child.
Go ahead, we're gonna load it up. Mm-mm. Ketchup on my babies. Put some hot sauce on mine. You know he from Chicago. He always wants some hot sauce or some mild sauce on his stuff. All right. See if I can get it all folded up like I'm in a sandwich shop. Get a little taste. Not the best wrap, but we got it wrapped. See, I get fired about working in a restaurant.
Yeah, portion.
Yep. And they'd be like, he can't rap.
Uh-uh.
Wait a minute. That looked pretty decent though.
You did that one good.
So we just gonna let them sit for a couple of minutes, unwrap them. We're gonna see what they taste like. So now this meat fiber well. Mm-hmm. Like we're in the restaurant, baby. Ooh, so much meat. Mmm. Man. Baby, this is good.
It look good. It smells good. Can't wait to get you.
Now I know why they be going crazy in New York over these chopped cheese. Who knew? Eating so much I can't even talk. Check this out, y'all. Y'all gotta do this. Y'all see how easy it is. You know, I just went a little extra by going ahead smoking it. But I did use some mesquite wood with this. Like I said, I only put the beef on there for about a half an hour just to get some smoke. So that way I can let it do its thing on the griddle. I took about a pound and a half of ground beef, did this up, and it's got that nice subby taste because it's got that lettuce and tomatoes giving off with a sub roll. Man, and that all that cheese and onions just melded in together. Woo! Check this out. About to finish up. I gotta let the camera lady eat. I'm gonna catch y'all on the next one. I appreciate y'all as always. Please like, share, comment, subscribe. I'll catch y'all later.